Good morning, students. In science, we start from a new chapter, but before that, I want to ask you some questions. So, come on, tell me. In our daily life, we eat different kinds of food, right? Tell me, how many meals should you have in a day? Yes, mainly 3 meals. Which vegetable do you like most? I know the answer. Mostly you will say ladyfinger, right now? We eat different types of vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, brinjal, ladyfinger, etc. etc. And which fruit do you like most? There are lots of fruit like mango, banana, papaya, orange, grapes, etc. Do you really think these all vegetables and fruits are important for our body? Yes. So let's see how. In this chapter, we are going to learn about different kinds of food and why it is important for our body. So let's start. Chapter number 6, The Food I Need. Students, we all know that we should have 3 meals in a day. Breakfast at morning, lunch at afternoon and dinner at night. Right? We eat lots of things in our day like chocolate, wafers, pizza, burger. Do you think these meals are good for our health? No, na. Actually, we like to eat such things, but these things are not good for our health. So we can eat this type of food once in a month or week. Okay? Students, it is very good habit to begin a day with a proper and healthy breakfast. It should include milk, salad, fruits or fruit juice, etc. etc. A part of breakfast, we must have lunch and dinner. But be sure, whatever we eat, that meals are healthy. Okay? Now you tell me, why do we need food? Do you really think it is very important for our body? Why do we need food? Yes, food is very important for our body. Food gives us energy to work and play. It also helps us to grow and remain healthy. Okay, tell me, do you think we should change our food or we should eat different kinds of food? Yes, because our body need different types of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, fibers, etc. And only one food does not have the same quality or vitamin. So we need different kinds of food. We also feel bored if we eat only same kind of food. Right now, we also need change in our eating habit. Now let's learn about different types of food our body needs. So first is energy giving food. Students, our body works all the time. Even when we are asleep, our body works. The body needs energy to work. Foods such as rice, chapatis, potato, idli, fruits like bananas and apples are called energy giving food. They contains carbohydrates. Look at this picture. These foods are energy giving food. They have lots of carbohydrates. Apart carbohydrates, our body needs fats also. And ghee, butter, oil, cheese, fish, meats, chocolate, they are rich in fats. So we should eat fats food also. Then next is bodybuilding food. Food such as milk, dal, gram, beans, eggs, meat, etc. are known as bodybuilding food. They contain proteins. Do you know proteins? Proteins help the body to grow and repair the damaged parts of the body. So, we should eat proteins, and this is the picture of the foods which has high protein. You can see in this picture. Then our next point is protective food. Students, sometimes we feel very weak and become ill, right? So we should eat such type of foods which gives us vitamins and minerals, fruits, vegetables, nuts, milk, fish, etc. etc. These type of foods are protective food. Food having vitamins and minerals are called protective food. Different types of vitamins and minerals are available from this type of food. So our body become healthy and protect from sickness. You can see in this picture. We should eat lots of vegetables and fruits. Now, do you know? We should eat some vegetables raw. Come on, give me some name of that vegetable which you can eat raw. Yes, carrot, cucumber, radish, tomato, etc. etc. Actually, vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals and fiber. The fiber present in the food we eat removes waste from the stomach and intestine and clear our digestive system. That's why people eat salad, because salad made from raw vegetables and fruits. If we cook these vegetables, the vitamins present in them may be lost due to heating. But that doesn't mean that we always eat only raw vegetables. No, we have to cook the food. Why? Because all food cannot be eaten raw. Cooking makes food soft and easy to digest, and cooked food also tastes and smells good now. Cooking also kills germs. Now tell me, water is important for us or not? Yes, it is very important. We also need water. Do you know why? Because water helps the body in many ways. Actually, water keeps the blood flowing and cleans the blood. Also forms urine. Our body loses water through sweat and urine. So that we should drink enough water to keep our body healthy. We should drink at least 6 glasses of water every day. Now let's see about balanced diet. It is very important to have a balanced diet. What is the meaning of balanced diet? You know? Yes, it means we should not eat too much or too less. We should eat a food in proper amounts. Actually, good nutrition is a very important part of our healthy lifestyle. Our diet can help us to maintain healthy weight and reduce our risk of diseases. So, we should eat food which contains carbohydrates, fibers, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, etc. etc. Such a diet is called balanced diet. So here we finish our chapter number 6, the food I need. Eat healthy, stay safe. Thank you.